people, wonderful for you to stop by. I'm hoping you're having a wonderful day. And today's video is going to be all about my glow recipe favorites and my cleansing routine, which happens to be, intertwined. And if you're new to my channel, great to have you. I'd really appreciate a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell below so you'll be notified of future videos. So anyways, this has been requested and I just decided let's do it and share with you my evening cleansing routine. So after the end of the day, want to take off all the muck of the day and the makeup and all that other fun stuff, I reach for my glow recipe. I had a haul of this from Sephora, so you saw some of the items in that. But this is from Glow Recipe, and this is the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. It melts down stubborn makeup, smooths the skin, and it's the first step in my cleansing routine. So you get it out of the box. And here's the jar. This ain't a little small guy, but you know what? It goes a long way, and it has a little spoon. It resurfaces the skin naturally with enzymes actively soothing with the papaya extract and seed oil. It transforms from a balm into a milky oil, leaving the skin fresh and hydrated. So what you do is you take it out, and look at this. Oh, it smells so good. And you take a little scoop and you put it in your hand and you put it on dry skin and you just rub it in all over. And it, because of the heat of your hands, it turns into this oil. And so focus on, the makeup areas, like your eyes and all that other stuff. But make sure you close them first, okay? And then after a little bit, after massaging it in, then rinse it off with lukewarm water and you're good to go. And then to do the next step of my cleansing routine, which you can stop here if you want, but I go to the next level and I use my Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanse. And it's makeup erasing deep cleansing, and it has blueberry hyaluronic acid, HHH. It has gently suds away to remove makeup, dead skins without stripping or leaving that tight feeling that you have. And you can use this as a makeup remover, a cleanser, and also a mask. So I like the way this goes all the way around. And believe it or not, smells like blueberry. So anyways, when you use this as a cleanser, after you're done with your papaya, you then go to your blueberry. And believe it or not, you feel like you're going all the range here. Anyways, you put one pump in your hand and in wet hands, and then you just kind of squish it around and then massage it on your face and let it set in a circular motion, and then rinse off with warm water. You can also use it as a makeup remover, but you use it the same way. But to get a deeper cleanse, you can just sit there and just put it into the lather and then put it on. Don't forget down here, and you're good to go after a minute or so, and rinse it off. Then you can use it as a mask, which is really cool. You can apply this, one pump is all you need, onto clear dry skin and leave it on for 5 minutes, doing it with the circular motion, leaving it there, and then rinse off with lukewarm water. So that's a big one. Then the next one is I really enjoy, and this is my I love this, the Avocado Retinol Sleeping Mask. And this moisturizes and it firms, and it's for dry to normal skin. So just be careful of that. And what I'm going to do is put out a disclaimer there. Make sure to test on your skin, for any sensitivities, because you never know. I have one thing that's supposed to be organic and all that, and it's a sleeping milk. And believe it or not, my face turns bright red the second that stuff hits my face, and then it calms down within a minute. So you just never know what can happen. So you just got to be careful with your skin. So anyways, here's the avocado. Here's the box. And I love this thing. And it's retinol powered sleeping mask. It has avocado matcha smoothing PHA, eucalyptus, and it has encapsulated retinol released throughout all the hours of the night for skin recovery. You can use it as a wash-off mask, or you can do it as a restoring sleeping mask. So I have one here, and this is the one I'm using now. And let me tell you, there it is. And it has a little spoon, and believe it or not, that's all you need. So this goes a long way. You do this little scoop, you spread it a thin layer on your skin, across the forehead, the face, and all that. Not on the eyes or the lips. Do not do that. Leave it on there for 10 minutes, and then rinse off with lukewarm water. And you can do this about 2 to 3 times a day until you get, 2 to 3 times a week. 2 times a day, oh my goodness. You know, you have to make sure that your skin's not going to have a reaction to the retinol. And, you know, so use it slowly, once or twice a week, and then build up, and then you'll be good to go. You can also, that is where you use it as a wash-off mask. You can use it as a restoring sleeping mask as well. And what I do is I use the little dime size, which is basically this little guy right here, and I gently pat into my skin all over in a thin layer, and I let the skin absorb it, and I go to bed. And then I wake up with some really beautiful skin, and you just make sure to wash it off with a cleanser in the morning. I usually a soy-based one, and it comes out incredible. And I just love these. The last thing I use as a differential, I don't use, as I said, you know, the avocado, you know, with the retinol, you can't use it every night. So I use other things as well. I use face masks, you know, where you know, the ones you put on for about a little bit that come in the packet. I really like those. And then I also use the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, Glowing Radiance and Softness. This is, I love this one. This is one I already have open. Oh, has just that cute little scent of watermelon. And it's radiant, petal soft skin, just dreams away. This has watermelon, hyaluronic acid, HHH, to hydrate smooth skin overnight for a post-facial baby soft skin. You can use it as a sleeping mask or a wash-off mask, which I really like. You can, you know, here's what the packet it looks like when you buy it. And let's see, I don't see the little spoon in there, but it's really cute. You can use one of the other ones. You just put some on your skin, and you know, if you have drier skin, just use a little bit more. You put on a nice layer on your skin, pat it in gently to help with the absorption, and then wash it off in the morning if you use it as a sleeping mask. If you use it as a wash-off mask, you apply a thin layer, really nice, just a little bit goes a long way, and then just leave it on there for about 10 minutes, and then wash off with lukewarm water. So I think this is, you know, something that works for me. I've tested everything on myself, and I don't have an issue with it. But make sure whenever you try anything new, especially if it has retinol or any of these other, you know, ingredients, to make sure you test it to make sure you don't have a reaction, because you don't want to have something really, you know, going on with your face, turning red and all that, and then have to go somewhere. And it's very uncomfortable as well. So make sure you test it out. And as I said, in the mornings, I use a soy cleanser. I use a moisturizer with SPF. I use that every single day. And that's what keeps my skin glowing and keeping it going. And I really, you know, just love this product, and I hope you enjoy this video too. And you know what? I think Glow Recipe is something you might look into. It's a little pricey, but it goes a long way, and it really is wonderful. So anyways, you hope you have a fabulous one, and take care. And don't forget to do a like, subscribe, and hit the little bell below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.